Hey Glam Stars, I'm Mattie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one. And let's go ahead and get right into this video.
But you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do.
So today's video is going to be something that I may not typically do. I do get a lot of electronics, but cameras are typically not what I get. But I knew that if I was going to take YouTube seriously, that I needed to invest in a nice camera. So today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Canon Rebel T8i. The retail price for this camera is $899.99, which, if you know anything about cameras, that is extremely cheap for a camera. Most cameras are $1,000 and up, especially if you are looking for quality. But the reason why I ended up buying the Canon Rebel T8i is because it had everything in one. It was on the inexpensive side for a camera, and also it had the good quality, everything that I needed in order to get my YouTube career ball rolling. Alright y'all, so as I am editing this, I am slightly kind of disappointed because I had the beginning of this footage with the box and everything when it first came, but I accidentally deleted it, y'all. Oh my gosh, please don't be mad at me. Please still like the video. But I'm just simply unboxing everything that came in the box. I ended up getting my camera from Best Buy. I started to buy the bundle from Amazon, but I decided that, just going to Best Buy on a whim, that it was the best decision for me to go ahead and buy it then. So yeah, but this kit came with a lens, it came with a strap for your camera, it also came with a battery, it came with a battery charger for the battery. It just came with everything that you needed in order to operate the camera. So I am extremely happy with my purchase. It's just that I'm so sad that I deleted that footage. So y'all, please like and subscribe. Don't be mad at me, okay?
Then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah.
I'm also going to share with you all the camera footage, so let's go ahead and skip over to that so I can share with you all how my camera looks, and y'all tell me if the camera looks better, okay? And don't tell me that it doesn't look better, because I just spent $900, okay? I don't want to hear that. Alright, so now I am recording on my new camera. Tell me what y'all think about it. I've been outside and put on something totally different, okay? But I decided to come in here and try this out and see, does it look good? Is it cute? Hey, I don't know. I gotta watch the playback to see if it looks better than my iPhone, so we gonna see. And yeah, y'all, this is going to be a new journey for me. I'm trying to work hard on this YouTube thing. I'm investing in it. I'm doing everything that I have to do. I've learned a lot about YouTube and being a YouTuber, so I'm just taking the proper steps and all that good stuff. I don't think that if you are a YouTuber that you have to actually buy a camera. Phones work perfectly fine. I'm recording on my phone right now. This is the iPhone XS Max. Anyways, that is all that I have to share with you all on today. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.